KoogluPooglu. Hey guys, since my dad always gets me something, I decided, why don't I get something for him? It's really delicious. You guys ready to see? All right. Looks real yummy. It's a fruit spread and honey gift set with a slate serving tray. And brand is St Dalfour. These are the flavors of our spreads. Here we got acacia honey, strawberry spreads, black cherry spread. Then we got a blueberry spread, raspberry spread, apple and cinnamon spread, orange spread, fig spread, and apricot spread. Woo! And then a small slate tray. So there are 3 of us in my family, and there are 9 flavors. Me and my dad are gonna do a draw on who gets which flavor. So I'm gonna start off. And I'm gonna pick this one, and I got 3. Now it's my dad's turn. Hey, close your eyes. And that's all you get. And now these 3 are for my mom. Let's read out it aloud. My mom gets orange. She gets blueberry. And she gets apricot. Now let's do my dad. My dad got black cherry. My dad got fig. Yeah. And my dad got raspberry. All right, now my turn. I got apple cinnamon. I got strawberry. And acacia honey. These 3 are my mom's. These 3 are mine. And these 3 are my dad's. First, I'm gonna start with strawberry. Woo! That was some sound. That's actually good. This is a good gift if your family likes trying new things like jams, sandwiches, Subway, whatever, yada, yada, yada.
Thanks for watching, and also show your support by subscribing my channel and also following me on Facebook and Instagram. Bye-bye.